Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to 4 other buttons we can manage. Now let's focus on this one from the right. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down and focus on the photo settings. At the last position here we have the watermark option, so when we tap on this we get access to some advanced watermark settings, and here we can add the phone model watermark. By using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. And as you can see here we have also the custom watermark, so this is connected. When we pick this we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset. And OK. But remember that this is connected, so you can't add the custom without the phone model. And the next one watermark here we can add is the date time watermark, so this is the timestamp. Also by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off easily, like that. And we have also the location watermark, so here we can add the location of our picture to our picture. By using this button we can also turn it on and turn it off. As you can see we can add just one of this, we can add both or all 3. So this is how it works here. We can manage this as we need. For now let me keep turning on all of these watermarks, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture to show you how they look like on the real photo. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our photo and the watermarks are here in the left corner at the bottom. So let me get closer to it. As you can see we have the device watermark, then the custom one, the timestamp and the location. And this is how it looks like. Of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, pick this settings to open the advanced camera settings. Once again slide a little bit down to the photo settings, pick the watermark here and tap on these buttons to turn this off. So for now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.